on your head. Welcome to the Barnsley Weir. There's no diving today, there's no diving anywhere. We're having a bit of a wet spell and we're just running around. I'll show you a few of the creeks that have been flooded. This is the weir over Taralba. Flashing lights to tell you don't come across, it's usually dry or ankle deep. Today flooded as. Let's go to have a look at another one. Oh! Lovely weather. Here's me mountain, have a look at this. The weather mountain. That means it's going to be shit house and stay inside. You can't even see the towers today. Still raining. Pumpkin. Let's go and have a look at this whistle. So with it raining, we're stuck in the man cave, and I found this old whistle diving. And I thought we'll give this electrolysis thing a go. So what we have here is some water. I'll put that up to about here. I'll just squeeze this off the net to see how this stuff works. So, alright, let's put some salt in it. Enough salt so it tastes like the ocean. What our chefs say when you boil up potatoes. So then we stick in the sacrificial anode like that. Oh, don't get too close, you might get wet. Right. I'll just put onto the side of it like that. And I got the right one, because this one here's got a bit of a bend in it. So take this whistle, put this clip on it here, drop him into there, and bend the wire over like that. Boom! Isn't that awesome? Away we go. So we got a bit of a leak going on. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, you don't look too bad. Off the power. Here it comes. Ooh, it's come out pretty flush, hasn't it? That's not too bad. I wonder if there's any writing on it. I'll have a quick look. I'll go back here. Check that out. It says Aussie in script across the top, Ryder and Bell, Sydney down the bottom there.
That's come up alright, eh? It's missing a ring at the bottom. That would have gone onto a chain around someone's neck, I would have believed. It's did quick research on it. Ryder and Bell made military stuff out of Sydney. So this was a World War II whistle. Would have been chrome plated over brass. And the most amazing thing about it, these guys knew what they were doing, because check this out. It still works. That's pretty cool. So that was a nice piece of military memorability to put to the collection that I find. Let's check a few of those out. So metal detecting, we get some of the Australian title badges. A return service, let's zoom in and have a look at that one. Return from active service badge. That's pretty cool. The pins on the back. A couple of military buttons. That one's Australian Military Forces. I think that one's Australian Infantry Forces. Got onto a spot where there was a bit of naval activity. There's a crown. Nice big badge, buckle or button of some kind. Little glass button with an anchor etched onto it. That's pretty cool. And then the Rising Sun badges. We've got a couple of those. A couple of hat ones and a couple of they were on the pockets. And then down this way, when I was in Vanuatu up in Santo on $1 Million Point, where all the Americans hung out back in the war, we found a 50 caliber projectile. I managed to get that back through customs, and buckle off a bit of the webbing. So they were pretty cool finds too. Makes for a nice collection. Hey, I found this threepence from 1880. We will stick into that electrolysis machine because it's still a bit rainy. This is the before shot. I'll get back to you in about half an hour. See that? It's bubbling. We'll just kill that. Pull him out and have a look. Here we go. Have a look at this. How shiny did that come out? Let me zoom in on it. Beautiful. 1880. It's got that really unusual blob of silver up there on the crown. It looks almost like it was cast that way. Probably make it a little bit special. Let's have a look at it, turn it over onto the back. Yeah. Cool. Definitely different. Well, that kept me occupied for a little bit. It's still raining outside. Don't recommend doing this to all your coins. I like to leave the coins as I find them with the natural patina on them. This is just something I wanted to experiment with. Work out alright. Till next time. Catch us later. Stay safe.